Thanks for coming in and sitting down ready to learn. Today we're going to tackle some subtraction problems.
Yeah.
And how we do that is going to look a little different than normal, okay? Our problems are going to come to us as we read a fun book together. First, I want you to take a look over here on the floor. This is my elevator. We're going to do a math lesson and we're going to use this elevator to do our problems, okay?
Oh, good.
Now, let's take a look and read along with the book on the video. So we're going to watch the video,
Okay.
and then we're going to stop it at the parts where they give us a problem we need to answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I wonder what this story could be about. Elevator magic. Here he is on the 10th floor, looking out from a very high window. Hi, Ben. I'm glad you came up to meet me. I'm all set to go, but we have to make a few stops on the way down. Who do you think that might be?
Mom.
Is it okay if I push the buttons? Okay, so we need to do some inferencing here. What do you think that might be? That might be,
Mom.
so this must be Ben. This might be his mom. What do you think?
Mom.
So if he's wanting to push the buttons, where's he going to go? Okay, he's going to use the elevator, isn't he? They're on the 10th floor. Sure. First, we have to cash a check at the Farm Bank and Trust. It's 2 floors down from here. There they are on the elevator. Remember, they're on the 10th.
Okay, so now let's go over. Let's go to the 10th floor. So, it says that Ben and his mom are on the 10th floor. Okay, so what floor is this?
10.
Okay, so come here. So they're on the 10th floor, and they need to go 2 floors down to cash a check at the Farm Bank and Trust. So we're on the 10th floor, and we're going to go 2 floors down. Ready?
1, 2. It's 8.
So,
If you're on 10, take away 2 equals 8.
okay, so let's go write our problem, our equation, and the answer we found. Okay, so here you go. So you write it. What's our equation?
10.
Did we?
Oops.
That's okay. So what is your equation?
10. Take away 2 equals 8.
10 minus 2 equals 8. Okay, so let's see.
Floor right now. Mom said 2 floors down. Which one do I press? We're on 10, 2 floors down. 10 minus 2 equals 8. I think that floor 8 would be the best guess. Okay, so we start off with 10, and then you had to go 2 floors down, so we take away 2. So 1, 2, and we end up on floor number 8.
Floor 8.
We're almost there. We'll be getting off now. I think I hear oinking and mooing and oink, 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 moo, plop, plop, plop. Yeah. Oh my. That's surprising, isn't it? Wow. Look at the Farm Bank and Trust. That's literally a farm, isn't it? In this bank, there's a horse and chickens, of course, a donkey, a pig, and even a cow. That would be quite a bank, wouldn't it? Next, we have to drop off this package at Speedway Delivery. It's 3 floors down from here. Do you remember what floor they're on?
Oh.
What floor were they on? Let's go.
8.
Yes.
But first they were on 10, then they go down 2. So it equals 8.
Okay, so now we're starting on floor 8.
And then go
And it says they have to drop off a package at Speedway Delivery, and it's 3 floors down. So let's start at 8, and let's go 3 floors down.
1, 2, 3, 5.
Okay, so now we're going to write an equation. So now what would your equation be? So what did we start at?
8.
Okay, so 8
Mom, you wasted.
Oh, it's okay. 8, and we went down 3, and we ended up at 5. Okay.
1, 2, 3. I
We're on
love
floor
it.
number 8.
Fine.
I need to go 3 floors down. Can you figure out
Yeah.
what he's going to need to do to find out what floor he needs to push? What floor should I push to go down just 3?
5.
Now we're on 8. 3 floors down. 1, 2, 3. 8. Take away 3 is 5. Floor 5 is where Speedway delivery should be. We're finally here. That seemed kind of slow. What do you think this is going to be? Do you think it's going to be a regular delivery store? Let's find out. Now I hear rumbling and screeching and vroom screecher. What's he going to find in this delivery store? Oh, there it is. Oh, my. Oh.
Whoa.
There will soon be a race in this big, noisy place. The cars and the trucks are all ready to go. Oh, wow. Got a whole racetrack. Let's make a special stop at the Hard Rock Candy Store. It's 1 floor down from here.
Okay. Ready? So where did we end up last time? Come here. Don't touch. Come. Come. Where did we stop last time? They were on the 5th floor. Okay.
Go down 1.
Yep. Just 1. To the Hard Rock Candy Store. So what floor are we on?
4.
4. Okay, so now you get to write our new equation. Okay, come
I waste the O.
on. Okay, so now you can write the new equation. What would the new equation be? Where did we start at?
Start at
The 5th floor.
take away 1 equals 4.
So now we're on the 4th floor. Okay.
Okay, so do you remember which floor they're on now? They're on 5, and they want to go down 1 floor. Can you predict which floor they're going to need, which button he'll need to push? Let's see if you're right.
Which floor?
4.
I'll press the next button to go down 1 floor. Now we're on 5. 1 floor down,
Candy store.
5
Yeah.
minus 1, or take
Minus
away
1.
1, equals
4.
And that's what you
4.
did. 5 minus 1
Went
equals
down
4.
1.
Good job.
There'll be lots of treats when we get to floor 4.
Yum.
There they are, the Hard Rock Candy Store. Okay, what do you think? We'll make a prediction. What do you think this candy store will be like? A regular candy store?
What do you
Well, let's find out.
Candy.
The door's about to open. I can't wait to see. I hear lots of twanging and banging and boom, boom, boom. Hip,
I think
tap,
they're
hip,
making
twang, bang.
candy.
Rat-a-tat-a-twang. Gee. The store's filled with sound.
Oh.
Bright lights spin around. A rock band is starting to play just for me.
Not just for you. Hey.
Here's your treat. Now we're all set to go. We're going to meet Dad, who's on the 1st floor.
Okay. So now we have to start out where the candy store is. Don't touch. Come.
The 4.
Okay, come in. The 4th floor. That's where we left off. Here's the Hard Rock Candy Store. And then they're going to meet, who are they going to meet on the 1st floor?
Daddy.
Okay, so now this is a little bit different because before they told us how many to go down, but now they're telling us where to end up. So, we're going to start off on the 4th floor, okay?
1, 2.
And we have to figure out how many you have to get to the 1st floor.
3.
So,
Yippee!
yes. So now we have to do that equation. So we started off, come here. We started off on the 4th floor. So go ahead and write that down. And then how many did we have to take away to get to the 1st floor? How many did you go down? Yes. And then we ended up on the 1st floor. Yes. So we have 4 minus 3 equals 1.
Let me read all of them.
Okay, hold on. Well, let's finish the book.
Okay.
And then,
We're on 4. Dad's on 1. 4 minus or take away 1 equals 3 floors down. Start at 4. 1, 2, 3. From
Yeah,
floor
it's
4.
and did you hear that? So we did this 4th floor, and if we go down 3, we end up on the 1st floor. And you can do it another way. They started out on the 4th floor, and she said if you take away where they need to be at the 1st floor, that equals 3 floors down. See? We can do that either way.
Oh yeah,
Fourth
like
floor.
4, that, and that, and that, and that.
Yes.
To floor 1 is 3 floors more. We're almost there now. Then we'll be on our way. Now I hear honking and beeping and beep beep, honk honk, taxi, doot. Hey, what a great time I've had. I can't wait to tell Dad. There's Ben's dad. My elevator ride was like magic today. That would be some elevator ride.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
There we
it's
go.
done.
All done. Now
I want to go play with it, Mom.
you will be able to play with it.
Yeah,
So I don't know about
dogs.
you, but that made like subtracting kind of fun, huh? Did you like the elevator hopscotch? Did you like our elevator magic to do the problems? And you want to play with it after? Okay, so now look at this. You get to make your own equation.
Thank you. No, thank you.
So here are the 10 floors. It says home. It's kind of hard to read. And there's, so we're at the Speedway Delivery, the Hard Rock Candy Store, the movie theater,
Mom,
the
let's
lobby.
go back to see.
So
Let's go back.
what you can do is stop it. You can come up with your own subtraction problem. And you can see which floor you want to start at and where you want to get to. And you can make your own equation. Okay? Say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for helping.
I'm going to play my business.